Alright, yo, what's good, YouTube? Is Vulpzy, and today, this day has been long awaited. Today, I will be showing you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency, because there is a lot of money to be made in the market. There's a lot of money that you could possibly lose, but if you play it if you play it smart, then there's no way you could lose in the long run. In the long run, you will benefit. You will make lots of money, and I will show you how to do so. A lot of people on YouTube, if you try to learn about cryptocurrency, they try to make it seem so complicated when it's really not. They'll say shit like, oh yeah, in order to buy cryptocurrency, you gotta bypass and maintain and contribute to the DeFi blockchain exchange decentralized market and shit like that, right? That's what it sounds like to most of you unexperienced crypto people who want to learn, right? That's what it sounds like. Just a bunch of big ass words, right? I'm going to be explaining to you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency in layman's terms, in basic terminology, human terminology, English. All right, I'm the hood investor. I'm gonna be speaking hood, so hood terminology, the easy way, and I'm gonna show you how to make money. All right, because I need everybody in my hood to be wealthy. You know, this is really mainly for the people in the hood who don't really know any better, because if you're not from the hood, then don't even try to understand what it means to be from the hood. Because if you're in the hood, you only understand what's around you. You can only learn what you see, and all we see around us is nothing. There's nothing. So that's why people are trapped in the hood and stuck in the hood their whole lives. They have a kid, raise their baby in the hood like it's normal. They're broke. They can't buy. They can't have fun in life. They don't know what it means to live life. You know, niggas is stuck in the hood. And I'm going to be the one to elevate everybody. Let everybody from the hood ascend. So everybody from the hood, what's good? Everybody else who tries to keep us in the hood, fuck all of them. Tell it, yo, suck my dick. Tell all of them niggas suck my dick. But look, I'm going to be smoking this blunt while I put you guys on to how to buy cryptocurrency. You feel me? So first thing is first, I'm gonna be showing you how to buy and sell on the Coinbase app. So you can do it straight from your phone. Download the Coinbase application on your phone, or you could go on your laptop and use Coinbase, but I use my phone. I'm just demonstrating on a laptop so I can screen record. It's a bigger screen, it's much easier. So download the Coinbase app. Before you watch this video, download the Coinbase app. I'm gonna put it in the description, and you have to make an account. In order to invest, you got to be 18 or older. So you got to make an account. Give them your social security number. You know, your basic information, your first, last name, your address, because this is the next level. Everybody in the hood, this is how you see all these white people this is the white people game. All right, investing, stock exchange, cryptocurrency, NFTs, call options, puts, all of that. So we just gonna start off with cryptocurrency. I'm gonna teach y'all how to play the white man's game. I'm gonna teach y'all how to be successful, financially stable, make passive income. You feel me? So download the Coinbase app, make an account first, right? Because you still got to get, like, verified, you know? They got to make sure you're a real person making a Coinbase account. So make the account, download Coinbase, make the account, and then start watching this video. And once you have Coinbase, once you made your account, once you're verified, you will come up to this screen right here. And as you can see, I have basically $1,700 on here. You don't need $1,700. You can start off with $1. You can start off with 50 cents. You could literally, it's possible to turn $1 into $50,000. Because when you think about it, one Bitcoin right now is worth about $50,000, right? For one Bitcoin. Years ago, 10 years ago, it was probably worth less than $1. So everyone who invested into Bitcoin back then, let's say before Bitcoin was $1, let's say they bought 100 Bitcoins and they were $1 each, right? So that means they had 100 Bitcoin. Now one Bitcoin is worth 50,000, and those people who bought 100 back then or 1,000 back then, or however many, they are millionaires. All right, most likely they made hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions, billions, probably even. And yeah, so that's what you got to keep in mind, right? You don't need lots of money to begin. And I actually want you guys to start off with something light, just so you could see that this is real. Like, you could really make money even with $1. So let's say I'm gonna explain to you what cryptocurrency basically is, or how you even make money, because nobody in the hood really understands trading, right? So basically, let's say we're in 2010, right? When you think of the year 2025, what do you think of? You think of some futuristic shit, right? Like flying cars, robots, technology is super advanced, right? And that's exactly what life is. Everything is becoming technology is advancing. Humans are doing the opposite, but technology will keep advancing and expanding for however long. I'm not sure. It could just keep expanding forever, infinitely. But yes, we are coming to that future, that robot, the flying cars. That future is coming. It's right around the corner. It's here, basically. It's here. So, and when you picture the future, did you picture $1 bills? No, you're thinking, oh, they're flying cars, there's robots, so they got to be some technological advancement when it comes to money. And that's where cryptocurrency comes in hands. You know what I mean? But cryptocurrency basically is a digital. I'm not giving you the exact definition. I'm just giving it to you in layman's terms so you can understand. Cryptocurrency is just a digital version of money. And cryptocurrency is the future. It is going to be the future. It's here right now, but there's going to be a point of time where everyone in the world owns cryptocurrency. Everyone in the world is buying stuff with cryptocurrency. When you go to cop an eighth of whatever, when you go to cop anything, when you go to buy anything, you're going to be spending cryptocurrency. You're going to be sending the plug cryptocurrency. Even this day, today, when I sell, I tell people like, yo, I'd rather you send me cryptocurrency. Like I tell my customers, I'd rather you send me cryptocurrency. When I buy anything, I buy it with cryptocurrency. I have a Coinbase card, right? And I could spend it anywhere. I could book a flight. I could book an Airbnb. I can buy bacon, egg, and cheese. I could go buy a hoodie and some pants. I could go thrift shopping. I could buy paint. I could buy anything on this earth with my cryptocurrency, right? And that's the future, right? Cryptocurrency is going to be the definite future for a fact. So it's better that you start off now before it's worldwide. Sure, everybody heard of cryptocurrency, but nobody is really in tune with it. I mean, of course there's people in tune with it, but not everyone in the world is in tune with cryptocurrency. They heard of it, but they don't know what it is. They haven't bought any cryptocurrency. But it's going to be the future. Just like how phones weren't a thing back then, not everyone had a phone, but now everyone has a phone. Now everyone has an iPhone. There's going to be a point where everyone has cryptocurrency. So even if you have $1, throw that on Coinbase. And if you can use a bank account, a debit card, or your PayPal to deposit money onto Coinbase. If you do not have any of those, if you have cash, just cash and that's it, you don't have a bank account, you don't got a debit card, this is what you can do. Because I actually my bank was Chase Bank. I got banned from Chase Bank. So I was like, how can I add the money that I have in cash to Coinbase? So I found a method to do that. Basically, Coinbase accepts PayPal. So what you want to do is make a PayPal account, right? And once you make a PayPal account, they have an option where you can add cash to your PayPal. So at stores like CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, you can go to the cash register, give them cash and be like, can you deposit this onto my PayPal? And you want to go on the PayPal app and add cash. There's a button that says add cash. You press that button and it's going to give you a list of stores like Rite Aid, Walgreens, CVS, etc. Stores of that nature. You click on the store nearest to you. Like, let's say Rite Aid. Rite Aid is the store nearest to me. So I click on Rite Aid, and they give you a barcode. You bring it to the register at Rite Aid. Be like, can you scan this barcode and add money to my PayPal? They scan it, and then you give them however much money you want to add. If you got $1 you want to add, you add $1. If you got $500, add $500, right? So once you add the money to your PayPal account, now you can go to Coinbase, right? And let's say you want to purchase, let's just purchase US dollar coin for now, right? As you can see, I got $1,700 worth. And you would click buy, type in however much you have, however much you want to deposit onto Coinbase. And you can pay with, like I said, your bank account, debit card. As you could say, they have PayPal. So once you add the money to your PayPal, you could transfer the money from your PayPal to your Coinbase, Google Pay, wire transfer, and yeah. So that's just how you buy. That's just how you add money to your Coinbase account, right? And once you have money on your Coinbase account, they will show up as USD coins, right? Or you could just directly buy the cryptocurrency, but you should buy USD coin first, right? And now that it's in my account, let's say you got your money in your account, right? I got the $1,700 in my account, and that's when you buy the cryptocurrencies. I know you've heard of a couple like Bitcoin, Ethereum. I know you guys have also heard of Dogecoin, Shiba Coin maybe. That's when you start buying those coins. And I lit this blunt the whole time. So that now that you got your USD coin, right? I'm gonna tell you which coins to buy and how this whole thing works, right? So in this video, I'm not gonna get into the intricate details of what coins I think are gonna become $50,000 one day, like Bitcoin, and catch up to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me just show you that. Let's say Bitcoin, right, is worth $50,000 right now. Let's say it becomes worth $200,000. Then every single other cryptocurrencies, most other cryptocurrencies, it's gonna follow Bitcoin's footsteps, and they're gonna rise in value as well. So honestly speaking, what you should do is look at every single cryptocurrency yourself, right? And you could actually read the charts. Let's say I'm just gonna click on Rally, right? And just click on 1 year, and it shows you the price of Rally. Matter of fact, let me pick a different one, because let me pick let's just pick Compound, all right? So now that I'm at Compound, click on 1 year. It shows you the price of Compound a year ago, right? And May 11th, it was worth $915, right? Because around that time, April, May, that's when all cryptocurrency, every single cryptocurrency rose in value like crazy. All of them. Like if one cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, skyrockets, then every single other cryptocurrency is gonna follow in its footsteps. So you don't have to invest in Bitcoin. You don't have to invest in Ethereum, because I know those are the only two coins that you guys hear about because they're worth a lot. But honestly, if you want to make a lot of money, you should invest into coins that are not. This is my personal trading experience. I don't have $50,000 to invest into Bitcoin. So why am I investing into Bitcoin? It's not gonna. I won't even have a full Bitcoin if I try to invest in it, right? Because one Bitcoin is worth $50,000. So you should just look through all the coins. For example, Cardano. One Cardano is worth $1.20 right now. So basically $1. So with my $1,700, I could buy 1,700 Cardano. And let's say Cardano jumps up to even $2. That $1,700 that I invested will double into $3,400. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna invest into Cardano using all of my, I can buy up to $821. Oh, all right. No. We're going to go to assets, right? And with your US dollar coin, click on it. You press buy or sell, and then you click on convert. You convert all of it or however much, right? I'm going to just show you for video purposes. So I'm going to buy... Wait, what am I converting it to? Oh, no. I want to convert it to Cardano. So you select the asset, select Cardano, and convert all US dollar coins to Cardano, right? Convert now. Boom. So now, if I go to my assets, click on assets, refresh the page. So Coinbase, you get charged transaction fees, you know? So there's always gonna be fees involved. But as you can see, I basically have $1,700 worth of Cardano, right? And the price of Cardano is only at $1.19. If that even goes up 1 cent, you will see that I would have made a couple dollars. So I wanted to go up at least 1 cent during this video, just so you guys can see. Look at the exact number it's at right now, $1,657.76, right? I'm gonna refresh the page. By now, just so you guys can see that crypto, you can make money or lose money. Oh, it's still at 1657.76, but give it some time. It's at... I'm gonna let 30 minutes go by, right? Just so you guys can see that crypto is very volatile, right? It goes up and down. You just have to be... There's always a risk. There's always a risk. You can lose money, but in the long run, I truly believe that right now, if you invest into any crypto right now, in the long run, you will make money because... Like I said, crypto isn't a worldwide thing. Everyone has heard of it, but not everyone is invested into it. So once everyone is invested into it, into cryptocurrency, then every single crypto on this whole entire Coinbase would have gone up in value by that time. So honestly speaking, any crypto would be a good investment. And that's coming from the heart, because everybody in the hood, they have a problem with... Niggas will spend $1,000 on a Balenciaga t-shirt. Would I rather them spend that $1,000 on crypto and have the possibility of them losing money? Yes, because I'd rather them spend money on cryptocurrency than spend money on a white nigga's last name on a t-shirt. Or spend... I don't want to see my niggas spend $150 on some weed when they could invest that into crypto. If you spend $150 on some weed, it's gone completely. You smoking that shit. Look, I spent $200 on an ounce. I'm smoking that shit away. But and my money is gone. It's done for. I'm literally smoking my money away. But if I would have invested that $200 into crypto, my money would still at least be there. You know, and that always has the potential to increase in value over time. And that's all you need in the investing world. You need patience, time and patience, because that's what it takes. Don't invest and then check back the next day and be like, oh, I didn't make any money, and then end up selling it. This is something that you might have to hold on to for months, for years. Like I said, Bitcoin was worth less than $1 at one point. 10 years later, it's worth $50,000. So that's how you have to think. And you have to really realize that crypto is the future. So all crypto will go up in value once it really becomes a worldwide thing that people are invested in. They just changed the name of the Staples Center to the Crypto.com Center. So I hope that gives you an idea of how real this is becoming, how much crypto is really the future. Any investment, $1 10 years from now, it could possibly be $50,000. Like, I'm being real. Like, I'm coming from the heart. I made over, throughout my investing career, I made over $35,000, I think. Right? And this is, I still live in the hood. I come from the hood, and I made $35,000. And I'm only saying that I blew through all of it, you know, because I'm from the hood. I don't know no better. But now I'm getting better with money managing, investing, not spending my money on bullshit and things like that. But you feel me? I'm just saying that to show you that there's lots of money to be made, right? I made a $750 investment one time, and I made 23 bands. That was off a Tesla stock. That's stocks though. But cryptocurrency, I think I made around 10 bands off of cryptocurrency. I remember I invested like $50 into Shiba coin. Only $50, and I made like $400 off of that. That's just to show you that you really don't need a lot of money to make any profit. And if I would have held it even longer, for even more, even past today, if I would have held it for another year, that $450 would be worth way more. You know, it's just a matter of having diamond hands. What diamond hands is, you being able to hold on to your investment, not panicking and selling as soon as you see the price drop, and you start thinking, oh the price of it is going down, I should sell. That should be never sell. If you're losing money, if the price goes down, never sell. Keep holding on to it, because like I said, it's not going to continue to go down forever. You know, at one point it's going to increase in value again. Just knowing the fact that it's still not the future yet, really. Like, crypto isn't in the present. It's not really incorporated in real life like how it will be in the year 2025, right? So never sell. You can't have paper hands. You can't be pussy. Paper hands is just another word for pussy. Diamond hands, that's gangster. You want to have diamond hands. You want to hold on to your crypto when you buy it. Don't sell it at any cost, unless you made a significant profit and you're like, you know what, I could possibly make more, but I want to do, this is a good enough amount of money, I want to go on vacation somewhere, I'll take the profit. Then that's when you could make your own decision. And like, let's say you invest $500 and you see you made a $3,000 profit. You could still possibly make more if you hold on to it. But if you're content with that $3,000 profit, then that's you. You could use that to go on vacation for a little while and do you. And you could always get back into the investing game and do that. But me, I'm the type of nigga where I invest money and I hold on to it. Like, at this point, like before, like I'll make a $3,000 profit and then I'll sell it. And then I'll go fly to LA or Hawaii or some shit, right? But at this point, like, I'm just trying to become financially, I want to have financial freedom. I really want to rise above the simulation. I want to be able to wake up in the morning and not be stressed out because I have to go to work, or not be stressed out because I can't just fly to another country when I feel like it. I want to get to that point where I could just wake up and just fly to another country because I feel like it, and it's not gonna affect my finances. You feel me? So I'm really stingy, man. I'ma hold on to my crypto. Like, I try not to buy anything else. Like, I got enough clothes. I don't buy designer because I don't, like, that's not fly. Like, a white nigga's last name on my t-shirt for $1,000, that's not fly at all. That's not fly. You feel me? I customize all of my own clothes. As you can see in the background, I got some pants. I customize all my clothes, so I don't need to spend $1,000 on clothes. You feel me? Like, I spend a reasonable amount of money on everything I buy. I don't go crazy. It's better to go crazy spending all your money on cryptocurrency or stocks or NFTs, calls, puts, which I'll get into in another video, but we're just talking about cryptocurrencies right now. So you see on my screen it says I got $1,657.76 worth of Cardano, right? I'm gonna refresh it just to show y'all. right? Let it refresh. Boom, I lost $2 since, right? That's just to show you, like, it's always gonna go up and down throughout the day, throughout the night. 24/7 it's gonna go up and down. So it went down $2, but that's nothing. If I have $1,700 invested and it only went down $2, and that means the crypto is looking pretty stable at this point, right? It's not really as volatile, but we can see the charts from today. It's going up and down, you feel me? Just a month ago, what do we look at? Wait, what is this? No, I meant to click on Cardano, I'm sorry. So look at Cardano even just a week ago, right? It was at, or let's look at a month ago. It was at, look at its low, around 79. It was worth basically 80 cents a couple weeks ago. So if I would have invested $1,700 when it was 80 cents and it jumped up to $1.20, I would have made hundreds of dollars just off it going up 40 cents. But the more money you invest, the more money you profit, the more money you're gonna make. Cause if you only buy one Cardano, right? And it becomes, a Cardano is worth $50,000 5 years from now, then you're only gonna make $50,000. But if you own, if you own more Cardano or whatever cryptocurrency, the more Cardano you're gonna have. So if Cardano is worth $50,000 5 years from now, I own 1,385 of them. So I'm gonna have 50,000 times 1,385. And just to put that into perspective, I'm gonna just tell y'all how much that is, just so y'all can really understand that there's money to be made out here. So let me open the calculator app. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. So let's say Cardano is worth $50,000 5 years from now, right? And I got 1,385. That's over $60 million profit. If I were to hold this for another 10 years, I really have strong belief that one Cardano is going to be worth over $50,000. And I would have made over $60 million profit. But that's only if I have just 1,385. I'm going to continue to buy Cardano. I want to have 10,000 Cardano. I want to have 100,000 Cardano. And you should constantly watch the charts of each cryptocurrency that you're investing in. Let's say Cardano. Just read the charts. Let's say a month ago is at, someone's calling me. A month ago it was at 80 cents, right? And it's at $1.20 now. So maybe you have to use your own judgment in this situation. You should say to yourself, maybe this isn't a good time to buy. Maybe I should wait till it goes back down to 80 cents and then buy it. You feel me? So once it gets back to $1.20, you would have made profit. So if you ever see a crypto blowing up, that wouldn't be a good time to invest into it, because you're buying when the price is already at its peak. You feel me? Like, let's say this one crypto, the Vulpzy coin, is only worth $1, right? And you didn't buy it, but you see that it's blowing up and now it's worth $500, and then you're like, okay, now I'm gonna buy it. That wouldn't be a good time to buy it. You should have bought the Vulpzy coin before it became a trend, before it started to blow up. So that's where you got to use your own judgment, study the charts, and see when it's a good time to buy, and do your research. Each cryptocurrency has its own features, or it brings something to the table. You have to read into every cryptocurrency and see what they have to offer as far as whatever. Some cryptocurrencies, just like an NFT, some cryptocurrencies, you just got to read into it. You got to do your research and choose what's best for you. Like I said, in my opinion, just studying the simulation and knowing the simulation, I know for a fact cryptocurrency is the future, and any cryptocurrency that I invest in is going to rise in value. 10 years from now, it's going to be, every single cryptocurrency 10 years from now, they're all going to be worth than what they are right now. So I would say invest into just crypto in general, because I would rather y'all niggas invest into crypto as opposed to buying a white nigga's name on a t-shirt for $1,000 or spending $80 on an eighth. You feel me? I'd rather y'all niggas spend $80 on crypto. And one thing you gotta always keep in mind, this should be your mindset when investing, right? Let's say you invest $50, right? Let's say you invest $100. When you invest, as soon as you invest that $100, you should say to yourself, okay, like you should think in your head, I don't have that money anymore. Like just like you would, let's say you have $1,000 in your bank account and you buy a pair of sneakers for $200. You don't got that $200 anymore. You just have $800 now. That's how you should think when you're investing into crypto or anything. If you have $1,000 in your bank account and you invest $100 into crypto, you shouldn't say to yourself, okay, I got $900 in a bank and $100 worth of crypto. You should say to yourself, I only have $900, and just forget that you own that crypto, because you see that crypto go down in value a little, you might panic and sell. Just forget that it's even there. Just let time do its thing and let it rise in value like it will. Because I'm not even a crypto expert like half of these motherfuckers on YouTube. Like, I just invest and I go out my way. You feel me? I do my investments and I just let time do its thing. Always. I always make profit. No matter what. Everything I ever invested into, I made profit. Because I just waited. I had patience. You gotta have diamond hands. Hold on. Don't sell. Let time do its thing. And you will make profit. The more you invest, the more money you will make. So that's why all of my checks from work, it gets direct. Coinbase has an option, a direct deposit option. So they provide a direct deposit form. You could just give it to your employer, or they give you the information, the name of their bank, the routing number, shit like that. Give that to your job, and you can have your checks, your paychecks, direct deposited into any crypto of your choice. So I have all my crypto being direct deposited. I just started doing it. Direct deposited into Cardano. And Coinbase isn't the only app I use. This is one of the many apps I use. I use Coinbase, I use Crypto.com, I use Robinhood, M1 Finance, but just stick to Coinbase for now, alright? Because you just learn one thing at a time, you feel me? Just buying and selling cryptocurrency. Let's not get into the intimate details surrounding each cryptocurrency and what they have to bring to the table and their protocols and which ones are better than which. You feel me? Just buying and selling cryptocurrency is what I wanted to introduce to you guys, because like I said, a lot of the people on YouTube, they try to make it sound very complicated, but it's not as complicated as it seems. All it takes for you to understand how to buy and sell is you actually doing it, is you downloading the app and seeing, okay, the buy and sell button, let me click on that, and you playing around. You got to learn on your own, you feel me? That's the easiest. You got to be hands-on. That's how I learn. I'm a hands-on person. Like, I can't hear somebody tell me, oh yeah, just download Coinbase and do that and that. I need to just do it, you feel me? And yeah, I just want you guys to actually be hands-on. So download Coinbase, make an account, go through verification, and yes, get to investing. And that's that. That is how I said I was gonna smoke in a video. I probably only took like 3 pulls. But yeah, that's how you buy and sell cryptocurrency, basically. So the cryptocurrencies I am invested in, I actually, like I said, Coinbase isn't the only app I use, but I'm just gonna tell you off my head which cryptocurrencies I am invested in throughout all of my apps. Cardano, I'm invested into Rally, I'm invested into XRP, I'm invested into Dogecoin, of course, the Shiba coin, you feel me? I have partial investment in Ethereum. Let me just go through these and see. I can tell you which. AMP I'm invested in. Scale, I'm invested in. So always be you can diversify if you want to. That's not something I tend to do in the crypto universe because, like I said, I read the charts. Like once Bitcoin or Ethereum starts taking a lead and starts rising up in value, every single other crypto follow its footsteps. So when it comes to stocks, I play a different game. I make sure I diversify my portfolio, but so far in the crypto universe, I only got a couple cryptos. I don't diversify too much. I would show you on my other apps, but I don't want to make it just, let's just focus on Coinbase right now. Let's not get into everything else. But yes, that is how you buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can have a Coinbase card. You can order one. Just go to settings. Just go to settings. You'll find it. I don't even know how to find it because I already ordered my card. But go to settings. You can order a Coinbase card, have it delivered to you, and you see the $1,600 worth of Cardano? I could go to a pizza shop right now and buy a pizza with that card. With this Cardano, with this cryptocurrency, I could buy anything on this planet, like I said. But yeah, so do that. Have your checks direct deposited. Any money that you feel like you're gonna waste on bullshit, just invest it into crypto. And just be patient. Have diamond hands. Don't be a pussy boy. Don't have paper hands. You can't have paper hands in this crypto world. You gotta have diamond hands. Diamond hands, alright? I'm not stone, but you gotta have diamond hands. I'm not stone, but I gotta have diamond hands. You feel me? And once you have diamond hands, once you make your investments and you have diamond hands, you're going to make profit eventually. Just give it time and you will make profit. We can all learn together how to really master cryptocurrency and really understand everything there is to understand about crypto. But let's just make our profits for now. Let's invest now. Let's invest money into cryptocurrency now as opposed to us spending the money on bullshit, because that's what everybody in the hood does. Literally, truthfully, respectfully. I'm a project baby. Fuck y'all expect from me. America's disrespect for me. You killed Christ and created religion unexpectedly. But that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, man, just holla at me. Follow me on Instagram at Vulpzy. VULPZY. That's all my social medias. Shit. Subscribe to my OnlyFans at Vulpzy. VULPZY. Subscribe to my YouTube. Leave a comment, a suggestion on what video you guys would like to see, or any videos of me explain. If you want to see me explain stocks or NFTs, how I made my NFT collection. I have an NFT collection that's in the works. And they're all handmade by me so far, but I might start. But we'll talk about that soon. But give me any video ideas. If you want to see me make a smoking video, chilling, a hood vlog, painting video, me customizing sneakers, me customizing clothes, whatever, man, just let me know. A music playlist video, let me know. Story time video, let me know. I'll be here for you guys. I reply to everyone. All my social media is Vulpzy, every single thing. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I hope this helped you guys even just a little. I hope you guys made at least a $1 investment into crypto after this video. Because I want all my niggas to win, you feel me? And I know y'all be seeing me with money, bro. There's a reason, bro. I really make money off the crypto shit for real. And stocks and NFTs, but like I said, we'll talk about that later. But I want everybody in the hood to win. Like, we don't really see how bad the hood is because we live in it. But, like, I really looked at this shit from an outside perspective. And I'm like, and I'm like, damn, this shit is really the slums. Like, this shit look like Skid Row. Where I live right now, this shit look terrible. Like, this is really the slums. This is the trenches for real. Like, even little girls is dying. My own little sister is dead. Like, It's just the environment that we live in, bro, that puts us on a low vibration and keeps us trapped. But I'm trying to make all my niggas rise above the simulation, ascend, bro, eternally, infinitely. And yeah, I hope this shit helped you for real. If you got any questions, just let me know, gang. I'm always a text away. Hit me up on Instagram. Or if you got my phone number, you can always call me, man. FaceTime me. But just don't waste my time, because I gave a lot of people explanations on how to invest into crypto, and they just waste my time. They never invest. So that's why I was like, let me just make a video. So if anybody asks me again how to invest into crypto, I'm gonna just send them this video. But I hope this helped you. Appreciate you for your time. And one more pull for the culture. I'll see y'all in the afterlife. You feel me? I'll see you when we fucking billionaires. You heard? Bye.